Good morning, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Okay, we are back again for our review of the DT100 Smartwatch. This time, we're going to install on the support app. The last time, we have a video review of the DT100. We have feature review, specs, and design. So right now we're going to have the installation of the support app. Let's see if we can connect the smartwatch flawlessly or without any issues to the smartwatch or to the smartphone. Okay, so we're going to download the support app and install it. Again, this is your DT100 smartwatch. Okay, check our unboxing video review of the smartwatch if you haven't seen it. Okay, so let's install the support app. If you have any questions regarding the smartwatch and the support app, please drop a comment below and we will answer your queries. Okay, so we have here the user manual. Let's check. Okay, so we have here the QR code. You can use your QR code scanner to download the app or just search it on the Google Play Store or the App Store for the iOS. So we have here, search for the WearPro in the App Store. So we're going to do that. We're not going to scan it anymore. Instead, we're just going to directly search it in the Google Play Store. Okay. Again, so this is your smartwatch. Watch out for our menu or feature review of this smartwatch. We'll have another video review. Okay. So let's have the installation of the support app. Okay, so it is looking for, or it is using the WearPro app. So we have here the WearPro. Let's see if there are other versions of the WearPro. So none, only have one here. Okay, so let's see if they have the same logo here to make it sure. So WearPro, you see it here, WearPro. So let's have the installation. Let's download the app. WearPro from Shenzhen. Okay, WearPro is a companion app for smartwatches. Let's check out the about. Okay, so it is in Chinese, 1000 plus downloads, so it's a pretty new app for this. Okay, let's install. Just 1000 downloads, so it is a pretty new app, or the app is supported only by several smartwatches, few smartwatches, or maybe it's just new. Let's see. Okay, so it is suspending while we are waiting for the installation of the app. Let's check first. So we have here the smartwatch. Okay, do you see it? Beautiful menu. Okay, let's change for the style one. It's much easier to use. Okay, we have here an error. Again, let's install it again. Maybe we just have some issues with the internet connectivity. Okay, let's download it again. So it's now installing. Okay, so that's it. I guess we have successfully downloaded it. It's the WearPro app, available in iOS and Android. Open the app. So WearPro. And let's remove this box so you can have a much better view of the app. So it is asking for some permissions. So here it is asking to sign up for registration. Okay, so let's just try it to log in anonymously. Okay, no need to sign it out. Login successful. So it is asking for permissions again. Allow WearPro to access this device location. Allow. Okay, so just as it is. Enable floating window permissions. Okay. Display over other apps. Let's see, so it can run on the background in other apps. So we have here the UI, very simple UI. You have the sports here, the device, and your profile. Let's see if we can add the app. So no device found. We already turned our Bluetooth on, so let's look for the device. So it found at least two smartwatch here. We have the GTX and the other one. Info. So we have here the QR code. Okay, if you happen to lost your QR code, you can find it here on the smartwatch on the settings. Okay, so here we have the address. So there's no name here that is DT100, but we have here the address. So we have here 74. Let me see. 23020201BB. So we have here on the QR code or in the smartwatch settings we have the 7423 and BB. So we're going to tap on this one. So please wait, and it is installing. That's it. Am I connected already? Wow, as you can see here, the time is updated. Okay, so that was fast. As you can see here, we have no issues with the synchronization and connectivity with the WearPro app. Okay, so let's see if what are the features here. So we have the steps, sleep, heart rate, and blood oxygen. Okay, we have the sports here and the graphs. For the device we have watch face here. Let's see if it's working for the find watch. Okay, it is working. We have notifications for SMS. Let's allow it. Okay, incoming call, allow it. Till to wake. Let's see if it's working. Okay, so it's working. We have the Bluetooth call here and the firmware version. Okay, so currently upgradable firmware version. Okay, seems like we have an update that we'll check it on later. So watch face. Let's see, so we have a lot of watch faces here. Wow, beautiful. Okay, so I'm impressed with the collections of watch faces here. Seems like this is looks like the Apple Watch here. Wow, as you can see we have a lot of watch faces. Let's see, let's try this one. I like the look of this. Okay, allow. So let's see if it will be downloaded or pushed to our smartwatch. So we're going to have a separate tutorial for this one later on. Okay, after pushing the dial, the watch will start after a short time. Okay, I guess it started. Okay, during upgrade 40%. Let's see if we have a custom watch face for this one on our next video. Okay, dial push. Let's see, the smartwatch has been restarted. Nice. Wow, beautiful design. As you can see here, beautiful look. Easy installation of the support app. No issues at all. Love it. So far, we are impressed with the connectivity. Very fast. At the same time, we have a lot of watch faces. Okay, we also have the camera here and the profile. So that's it for the installation of the support app, the WearPro, for our DT100. So this installation is for Android platform only, or Android smartphone. Let's see if we have the time to install the support app also for the iOS platform. As you can see here, a lot of options, especially for the watch faces. Okay, again, if you have any questions regarding the smartwatch as well as the support app, please drop a comment below and we will answer your queries. Bye.